It is Wednesday, and it's March 4th, 2020. It's about 25 minutes after noon, and that's Arizona time. We're in Havasu Land in California. Getting ready to change the NorCold optical display unit and its power package. This is just the cover on the power package. And these wires get connected inside the back of the refrigerator. Now the kit comes with this little white wire, but it's only used on one model, one or two models. We have a N621. Now these two wires, they're going to get put on. There's one there and one below. It's called high HT1, HT high, and HT low. Right in there. HT low, HT high. We don't use the ones marked 2. And these two end wires here, the white wires, they go onto the solenoid of the gas. Not that I can't say it's a solenoid. I'm not sure. I don't want to say it wrong. But they're going right there. Where the screwdriver's pointing. Bless you. Let's get another picture of that. The whole unit is right up here. And the upper left-hand corner has a screw that holds that cover on. We have to get it off. I've already removed the access plate from the outside, and that's nothing more than a flat head screwdriver with 2 plastic bolts, one each side. Okay, the total tools we're going to use, besides the flashlight, is along those pliers, and that's to slide these guys off the stake-ons or solderless wire connectors off and on the spades. Then a Phillips screwdriver and a hex socket, and I believe it's going to be about a 10 millimeter. Let's see if I can get it out here. We'll find out right now. Nope, smaller than a 10 millimeter. Okay, so which one is it? We don't know yet. And if it's not in this set, it'll be in another set. That's too large also. And that is a 9/32. So I have to go after the other set. Looks like B, it's a 1/4 inch, 5/16. Alright, so that's the end of that. This white wire again is for a different model. These two wires have to be hooked up. And then you see in here is where they come out. Now on the left side of this panel is the electrical hookup. It just follows through and goes up in there. In that corner right there. That's the electrical hookup. The AC power hookup. Let me put the flashlight to this so we can see. It just follows around and goes right into that spot back there. Okay, that's easy enough. And the AC electric outlet gets plugged in right to here. And that's L1 and L2. On the opposite side, we have the 12 volt. So because this refrigerator works on both propane and electricity, AC power. It's known as a 2-way. And that's it for this one.